putting people on pedestal, which is again a result of having an unhealthy power dynamic with authority figures. This is often again a result of fatherhood. Again, if you've not actually sort of gone through my 4-day childhood trauma healing bootcamp, you can. So a father wound is basically when you have not shared a healthy and loving relationship with your father, when your father was very volatile, or someone who was very, aggressive towards you, or someone who was very critical towards you. So often father wound, and sometimes again not having a great relationship with your parents, where your parents were very dominating, very critical, leads to having an imbalanced power dynamic with authority figures, right? You are very afraid of authority figures. You suddenly become very submissive when you're talking to people who may be knowing more than you, one, who may be senior to you in position, third, they are just simply more assertive and more confident than you. You suddenly feel very small in front of confident people. You suddenly feel a lot of self-doubt when you come across people who are confident, who know more than you, or who basically present themselves, better, right? So this is a result of having an imbalanced power dynamic with authority figures. And this results in you putting people on pedestal, right? Think of it like this, that you are, let's say, in front of your manager, and you think that my manager is here and I'm here. You believe that my manager is bigger than me, more special than me. Somehow, my manager is someone who just, is just a more special person, or someone I have to be very careful around. What happens is that you create this imbalanced power dynamic, right? You put yourself down here. So you make it unnecessarily difficult for yourself to have a conversation with him. So it becomes difficult. As opposed to if you were confident, or if you actually worked on your unhealed trauma, it would be like this, right? So things would be easier, right? You would not actually be afraid to talk to your manager, because you believe that he is equal to you. But because you believe that my manager is special, bigger than me, and other things like that, you put him on a pedestal and you make it unnecessarily difficult for yourself. And this is again a result of, as I said, that not having a great relationship with authority figures, not sort of having a balanced power dynamic, and this results in you feeling that, oh my God, I'm somehow lesser, or I'm somehow less special or less valuable.